Hey, what's up? So, it was a really cool design. Turned out wonderful. We used our single needle embroidery sewing hybrid machine, and it turned out wonderful. We used one color just to slow down, or just to speed up the video process, and it turned out amazing. You don't have to use one color. I personally wouldn't use one color if I was making this for someone else, but as a demonstration it turned out really well, or really good, and yeah, it was amazing. We still have that contest going on, or competition, to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of June. And if we get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of June of 2019, we will release a design pack out to everyone on the Facebook group. So tell your friends, tell your family, tell your mom, tell your kids, just tell everyone to subscribe to this channel. Our goal is to get as many subscribers as fast as possible so we can produce more quality content and get it out to you guys. So yeah, have a good one, stay safe, and good night, y'all. Bye. That's some good tea. Yo. Hey. Just got done with the video. It's really cool. And we have a oh, hey, I didn't see you there. What's up? So, it's a really cool video. I made this patch to kind of show you how easy it is to make these patches with the design. Now, we used our single needle embroidery sewing hybrid machine, and it came out perfect. We used one color just to speed up the editing and video process, and it turned out wonderful. It looks really cool. I also want to tell you, we do still have that Hi, Kuro.